Rally ka, pre. Ito yung interview. Oo, pre. Rally ka. Rally ka. Eh, Samuel! Dito. Hey! Good afternoon, good afternoon. Dito po tayo sa ating last game. Batang 90s. Uncle Division. Dito tayo sa ano, sa Rally ka. Sa ating best player of the game, Maestro Bills. Siya rin po ang Mythical 5 sa nakaraan finals kanina sa Intercompany, Bonafide. Although natalo sila, pero Mythical 5. Ay, congrats. So, Maestro Bills. So, anong adjustment ang ginawa niyo, pre? Ano yung sinabi ni Coach Noel? Dapat nyo gawin. Kasi itong kalaban nyo, malakas din yan. Mga tinsulit yan. Number 3. 3-2 ata, 3 win 2 loss. Kayo po 4-2. So, anong mga instruction ni Coach Noel?
Mahusay ang kalaban. May chemistry sila.
Correct.
Actually, nag-adjust lang kami nung fourth quarter na. Huli na, pero at least naging effective pa rin. Sa depensa. Kasi marami silang attempts masyado. Meron sila lagi second chances. So, nag-adjust kami sa box out. Pressure lang pagkada rin ang
Kasi dumikit ang laban eh. Naging 57-all. Tapos bigla na lang na umaripas ko yun. Hindi double digit ang alamang.
Maganda yung
So yun, congrats. So, shoutout. Baka may gusto ko shoutout. Our best in assist. What's your name? Milan Leo from Croatia. Croatia, yeah. Croatia is a beautiful country. So, what can you say about what's the instruction of Coach Noel to you to start off the game?
Wow, very good English.
Yeah. Talk more voice so that they can hear you.
He will focus on defense,
Instruction mo pag nagkakabay na.
missing in the first quarter.
Okay.
After when we play with the defense, it was much better.
Yeah, actually, Coach Noel is a defensive player also and a defensive coach.
That's what he said. He said defense always.
Congrats again, bro. So maybe you want to greet in your family to Croatia.
Yeah, send regards to my family. I hope they have good health and wealth. And see you.
Okay, see you. Rolo! Ito ang ating defensive player of the game. Christian Arroyo. Ayan po alamat dito sa ito ka. Ayan. So, congrats. Defensive player. So, grabe. Ang depensa mo. Saka ang mga rebound. So, anong instruction ni Coach Noel? Alam ko, defensive player, defensive coach si Coach Noel.
Sabi niya kasi, sipagan, tsaka box out, tsaka depensa lang talaga yung sinabi niya sa amin para manalo kami sa laro.
Okay, kanina, dumikit ang laban eh.
Oo.
Naging 57-all. Tapos bigla na lang kayo marangkada.
Malakas din kasi yung kalaban,
Yeah,
kaya
correct.
sa depensa na kami bumawi sa kanila.
Right, yun ang Sabi nga, defense wins championship. Okay, yun lang. So, congratulations. May kung gustong
Shout out sa anak ko.
So, yun po. So, salamat. So, hanggang sa muli. See you next week. Yan po. Shout out sa ating mga sponsors. Sa Marlica League OFW.